This is Lily. She is 10 years old. Let's see what she does every day. Lily wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. She brushes her teeth and washes her face. Then, she takes a shower and gets dressed. At 7 o'clock, Lily has breakfast with her family. At 7:30, she goes to school. At school, she studies and plays with her friends. At 12 o'clock, she has lunch. In the afternoon, she does her homework and sometimes rides her bike. In the evening, Lily has dinner with her family at 7 o'clock. Finally, she goes to bed at 9 o'clock. So, that was Lily's daily routine. How about you? What is your daily routine? Tell me in the comments or try to practice speaking at home.